We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we have come to the end of, this is part 3 of the 3-part series of this man. Yeah man, Wayne Thomas, O.C. Juby, the art of a raper here, you understand, and a picnic molester. So him say more for me George Bang in the Jonestown, Kingston 12, where, you know, a rapist would be lying in Cali Smith Gully with a cardboard tag. Yeah man, a nice chain around him neck, and it be properly labeled. There's a little 14-year-old girl him violate, you know. And even in a world where people respect children, this is a man who respect pitney. Because him just hold the little pitney and take it. Yes. The pitney name, first name is Cheryl. Yeah man, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. I just say it go. So we continue. So yeah, with Peter Metro and George Pang and Rick Dick, they must say are guilty by association. So that's why they might throw the Chubby 9 sister out there and all of these things. You understand? And they must say, boy, that's the reason why they don't want 9 to come back, because they know say 9 have to kill him back and kill him back. Oh yeah, boy, I mean I understand them people. Them just crazy though. So a man got a prison on them thing before him do the other thing for better him life when him come out. In a prisoner plan say him have to kill man when him come out. So you know, you understand what I'm saying. You know. So you know, so what we are doing here, you know, we're just sharing personal experiences and highlight the severe consequences of spreading rumors or threats, especially within communities where violence may already be prevalent. So you don't know say in a jungle, Jonestown, you know, so violent prevalent there. So you know, our story underscore the importance of responsible communication and the potential dangers of engaging and condoning activities that promote violence or criminality. So that's why we just let the people them know whose life are in danger because of these people. Because what is there in a jungle and Jonestown for a man control? And just zinc fence and what is there? And that me always a try to understand. We not look here. As we say, I will say again, you know. You have people in a ghetto, you know, where have gun, you know. They might kill people, you know, but they must have it to protect them family and the community. And the reason why that happens because of how the system is designed. You understand? Once you come from them community, your life now in a valley like the man uptown. So, you know, that's why as police, you know, even when I was a detective and them thing, you know, some people, you know, and every gunman, as we tell people, and every gunman, you understand? Because you know, go, them kind of gunman, you know, go get for roll them with no gun on the street. Because them have for them gun in them yard and nobody now go inform on them because them ain't no gang and all these things, I tell you. So you have good people having legal gun in a Jamaica. And people say, try to make that make sense to me. But just explain to you. Because based on where them live, them cannot get a license gun. Because I saw the system, you know, the system discriminate against people who come from ghetto. So they want to say because you come from ghetto, you are going to have illegal gun, so you are going to use it to commit crime. And And one of them my biggest criminals, you understand, the one them issue you gun them. So, you know, I just saw it go. But you know, say you know, you have people live all downtown we have, you know, we have license gun and them thing like, but you know, I just connection of who you know. So, you know, that's why you have some community we have people who have, you know, have license gun. So, you know, it's crucial to prioritize peaceful resolution and dialogue rather than escalating tension or resorting to violence. So we encourage open communications and seeking support from, you know, the community leaders and advocating for non-violent conflict resolution can help prevent further harm and promote safety for all individuals. Hey, look, let me tell you this. It's when it comes down to people who want to kill you. You can't have no resolution with them people they and talk, because for a man say my plan to kill you, him film aim is to kill you. You understand? And I can't tell you this. Most of you will know Rifle. Yeah, when Rifle, one police named Rock Steven. So before we go, so we continue. So this is the man now, you know. So them say this is him now. The CEO Juby from Waterhouse St. Andrew, former godfather for Moscow youths back in the days. So they have a painting on the wall displaying his picture with the wording Art of Gold. So he's a farmer millionaire, you know, who was a big informer, who pretends he was a part of the Moscow crew when he was feeding police cowboy and ox with information. My biggest informer, or even to today, every day in the Olympic Garden police station. You understand? A biggest informer. I tell you that no man from the ghetto, look you what kind of work him do and him thing. You can't find him a police station unless he's my informer. I tell you that he's my biggest informer from Waterhouse. Biggest informer every day in the Olympic Garden police station. If you're not there, end up on the phone with them. I tell you that. Yeah. So, you know, it's commendable that we emphasize the importance of honesty and integrity and our commitment to not spreading propaganda, lies and supporting criminal behavior. We promoting positive values and encouraging accountability within our communities, create a safer and more harmonious environment. Them guys in this, because them guys are criminal. You understand? You know, so this man, we at the Jamaica Young Police, we are all about saving life, you understand what I'm saying? Sharing intelligence or information about potential threats should be done, and we do it responsible, and by legal and ethical guidelines. We prioritize the safety of individuals and community while respecting privacy and confidentiality where necessary. That's why we don't call the daughter name, because we don't want the daughter to know, so wait, maybe she don't even know, because we go call her name and people know and say, wait, so I rape your father, rape your mother and get here. And we don't want to torture the child, although the child is an adult now, but this man is a rapist. Yeah, you understand? And he could have bad blood, you know that. Yeah, man. So, yeah, I remember saying I want the biggest informer, man. See me? And he used to carry news to Cowboy when Cowboy at the Olympic Garden. Ask him. He might deny it, Check him phone and say for Olympic Garden police station tonight, and you understand? Biggest informer, this guy. I tell you that. When we are police and when we are detective on way, I done them all. We get all of my solid information and when we get straight from the done. Because guess what? You say if you don't ever give me all about the information, you know what time it is. You know I give all them second and people in them gang and rival. The best informant them I tell you are done. Because they don't know if you give no information in a way. Mislead you as a detective, I know what time it is. You understand? They're my biggest informer. So see me here, I be ask a cowboy that tell them thing. Him, what? Yeah man, as Cox put on him drawers at him that man. Anyway cowboy they might find him and them thing and tell him all kind of, you understand? Give him all kind of information. This boy Juby. You understand? But we want to go jungle. You know them treat I don't know them treat rapists a jungle now, but in my days when I grew up, street, you go right in a Cali Smith Drive gully and you get a cardboard tag round your neck. Yeah, man. But now me say a total different thing. George Pang and them man, I get all now on them thing there. You understand? But back then, you have some man on a play. Yeah, so if you look at this one, Dirty Police, yeah man, please subscribe to that channel here and everything. Make him know say Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah. So the channel here, Dirty Police, yeah, it's the guy from True Island Stories, you know. He is the orator of this channel. So you check it out and tell him say Jamaica Young Police channel send you. Because we just reciprocate with him, you know what he was the one, you know, that really encouraged you and put the channel out there, and you know, about 4 or 5 times in the ski beat it, you understand, and push you up. So you know, we have to reciprocate it and everything and do it back, because you have to start all over. And I'm gonna tell you some things, because he was a police officer, yeah man. So you're going to learn some things from him. But as we say, our job here, we're not going to tell you about our experience as now. You might get a little more, you know, 1 or 2 little things, but the channel is not about us. And we're not boast, you know, as we say anything there, you don't boast about things, because look, you say life, I want life everybody have, you know. So when you hear people boast about all them this or that, and when you boast about, you know, them things are not something you boast about, because you don't give off life. I just saw it go. So we'll continue the journey. So you know, say when in cases where we have credible information about imminent threat to public figures or community exists, it's essential, you know, for us to share the relevant information with the authorities, so the appropriate actions taken to mitigate this risk. That's why we make it known publicly, but we don't tell people what we do behind the scenes. You understand, when they come on to Peter Metro and George Pang, that's why we do it. Some people, you know, I got some boy, I tell you, you know, Jamaican people evil, you know. You understand? That's why we tell you, if everybody knows something wrong with you. And I say, boy, oh, you shouldn't talk, him this and them for dead, and I'll leave Peter Metro and call him and Pang a friend and this and that. That's why they must say them thing. So if you know what, if I'm say already, if George Pang and Peter Metro and the others them want to listen to Rick Dick, when I tell them say boy, him don't know nothing about it, and them a point finger upon other people and say boy, I must him do this or him do that. Rick Dick, you never know how we get our information. And the reason why, you see, after this video, we are going to play a video for make these people here of a man who come from Haiti. Him they supposed to kill the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know. Yeah, him named Guy Phillippe. So you're going to hear him. If him, and you're going to hear Guy Phillippe talk about me, and him talk about me, the Jamaica Young Police channel, talking about me, you're going to hear it, a recording. You understand? People are wonder how me get it. You know, you can't continue to wonder on them thing. We're not going to tell you. We tell you already, well, you understand what I'm saying. So, you know, see. So we say Jamaica claim that them burn fire and rapists, but you know, here's this man in my walk around, my big time rapist, you understand? You know, we don't say in the jungle them burn rapists. So see him there? Yeah man, him say Peter Metro say all kind of despicable things about we, and so we are liar and we are spread propaganda and all kind of things. Oh, Peter Metro don't know, so we are spread propaganda. How me don't know that? What reason we have? There's nothing for we gain from it. I never say politics, but him and Rick Dick a friend. He and Rick Dick a friend, you know, this rapist. You understand? See me? Look on him. William Thomas O.C. Juby. And him come out and if you tell people, you know, say I'm a rapist. Yes. Say him rape of Cheryl Dawson when she was 14. I say I'm an old detective, you know. So you understand? All of your things them will come, because so many people still in Jamaica who have faith in me and still love me, because not one of my informants ever get killed or ever been outed. Not one. My informants were my informants. It wasn't everybody informants. Anytime I go upon somebody and do something, bingo, I just saw it go. We get it straight. So anything I just like how right here we get the information, say Vibes Cartel, their name Mad Dog 6 and 2 other boy if you kill Isaiah Leng. And we stay right here. Then they hear them say, boy, how we make them kill the 3 youth them? We. And them not kill Isaiah Lang. So them have them see man kill them for silence them. You understand? Because them don't want them to talk. Because them business out there. Well, Lang never work yet. Well, Lang not even, but we only just know Lang from before we are police. Because Lang I know the kind of police we used to search at. We never see Lang, cause I wish my corners and them thing there. You understand? We play Lodi and all them thing there. No, Lang, police never drive through and dig way upon them thing there. I tell you that in the 80s. Yeah. Only thing went to Lang, them man come like that, them man used to operate like some CIA or Navy SEAL. Anytime I just bingo, just come like Tom Levine. You know, see a big gunshot and gun different gun a fire and them thing, they shoot out. You just see the man like down 2 man and them thing there, and you just put them in like Opel and you see them foot. And I just saw it, you see them foot out like tight chunk. Hey, see I got it one dangerous brother, you know. Opel bandit free the Opel, you know, I tell you, you know. You understand? So we continue the journey. Yeah, so we in Thomas, boy, and surprisingly, you know, hey, you see it so life go. So you have Wayne Thomas and then you have Wayne Uglysom. Wow. Wayne Thomas, Wayne Uglysom. OC Juby, one of Olympic Gardens detectives' greatest assets, was and still is good at informing. So do you know how many times this man visit this station per week? Yeah man, you know how many times he visit the Olympic Garden police station per week? Every day in the police station like him a police. I'm my biggest informer. So in Jamaica the sentence of rape is severe. And I give a breakdown. Maximum penalty, life imprisonment, and maximum mandatory sentence 15 years to life imprisonment. So you know, so a judge can sentence a convicted rapist to life imprisonment, to life in prison, but they must sentence them at least 15 years. So if he did get arrested and charged back then, a life imprisonment he would get, but right now in today them change it now to 15 years. When Siaga was prime minister, you rape a woman, you get life imprisonment. You know, so Siaga did rough. That's why them like him and them thing there. And them burn fire upon him. Hey, look here, me say man when come on to crime, me tough, you know. You see like him Juby, and like how him a big man for you little girl and them thing there. If me did that once, me and then come report that to me. And based on what the mother and the daughter say, and all them a ball and all them thing there, and me I tell you, when me go for him, different thing. Cause how you mean? Cause I try, and the only way you can give healing to the victim, you know. Like him now, after him rape the little girl and the mother and you collect the statement from the little girl, and cause you know she have 14, pitney that, you know. You understand? And you collect the statement and everything, and the mother, cause you know say mother worry about her daughter, and the daughter ball and all them thing there, and them time you never have no rape unit. You never have no rape unit up on road when you know. So you as a detective and then you have to carry a KPH as a man, you know. You understand? And it was based on her response, you know. So when me I go for him now, me go for him in the night, early morning. Me not go for him in a day when nobody can see, because me know how me I go deal with him. Period. Cause you know, and that's the only way. You see, hey, let me tell you this. You see, all rape victims, all them heal, we help them heal. If you know, say the person who raped them is no longer a threat to them. We I tell you that as a detective. So you know, some guy attack on them thing here, just blow on them. Cause we not play them way there. You understand? Period. So you know that as we tell you, them we always try to make up all kind of story against you truly, because guess what? Them hate me with a passion. Cause them can't control me. Cause I cannot be bought. Period. Them try all kind of things, but it's not going to work. And we not stop do the work. Cause we want back Jamaica, and we want it back from them. People like this man here. Yeah man. Wayne Thomas, OC Juby, rapists. We want back Jamaica from men like him. Them a destroy Jamaica. So that's why I'm out there and them thing upon the campaign, and yeah, I try to get a hype off of Jamaica young police channel, because our people tell them and them thing, I know. Me don't know him, because me and my friend. I talk about saying I'll meet me where? Because I mix with corrosion. A lie him I tell boy him meet me and them meet me where? You can't meet me now, man. I pay a look and you look friend. I don't want a friend run a corals and a deportee and a rapist. We don't keep rapist friend. We don't know ugly some. We have friend with Ratcha England. We don't deal with rapists. Period. Evil and I want to make up and fictitious all kind of thing. We don't deal with rapists. I want a friend carousing. You understand? I want to, you understand? You're big informer. Yeah, we love informer and them thing, but yeah, but entire you know you're a rapist and them thing, you know, you're not good. And plus, you pretend say you're done, and plus you're inform on the youth. Yeah, you can't do that. Carousing behavior then. You understand? So, as we tell you now, so, we are telling you about, you know, the Sexual Offences Act of 2009. In Jamaica, the act of rape is considered a serious criminal offence and is punishable by law. And it falls under the Sexual Offences Act and it has its legal framework. So under Jamaican law, rape is defined as non-consensual sexual intercourse with another person obtained through force, threats, coercion, or manipulation. So when you say fear, you use a gun or like him now, cause remember say him could have be the Cheryl father, you know. So he just use that bigness and overpower and stick it. You understand? Big man, you know. Could have be girl father. You understand? And that's how him do. And a demo man, you know, selling it on YouTube and them not try to make Jamaica better, you know. Try to make a shilling and them thing there. You understand? Cause he not try to uplift nobody life. Period. All I tell lie and get all people. Hey, the man are real criminals still doing it, man. Get man in and say, boy, say me kill car. Where you corporal name? Me not even my soldier name. I'm not even when that happen. Me never even work. Me not eat. Look here. Me even put it down even further because it was 1999. Me not even that Jamaica when that happened. When the riot happened. You understand? And the record is there. I wasn't in Jamaica when that happened. For show you how people wicked. May I tell you, I was not even on the island when that happened. Me in America when that happened. You understand? When who done all them youth they get shot. Because I didn't see what was coming. I didn't see it in 1999 the riot. So that's why I did leave. I never know Jamaica. Them time the low life it was a soap, a ounce beer and careful walker. And even Dr. Oaks will tell you why me missing it. I weren't there. You understand? So, you know, so by enforcing laws against rape and promoting a culture of respect, consent and accountability, Jamaica can work towards creating safer communities and ensuring that all individuals are treated with dignity and respect under the law. So, based on this man behavior, this man, you know, say him depend overtime, you know, because rape, you know, no matter when it happen. You know, man, some things are unforgivable, some crimes are unforgivable. You can't trouble look up with me. We burn fire upon that. Straight to the man, overtime. And then you have to mix up with that. Hey, if you know them the man, the Peter Metro and the man, the only man that 8 rapists. Boy, you talk to Peter Metro and the recording. Lie, I tell. Lie. Because Peter Metro talk and him just do it over mic. You must think Peter Metro going to sit down with you. And number one, Peter Metro not even know you. And now, him support him know say you're a rapist. Then because you don't go to prison for rape, you go to prison in America. And then deport you. Yeah. And you're a minute down there and you're more on the part thing there. And you rape Cheryl Dawson. Yeah, say somebody else now. You and she have a child. She have a child for you, not because she want, because her mother licky. Why you never go to prison? But at least you go to prison in America still. You understand? And the trauma that you have, you know, that Cheryl experienced, the victim, when a child is born from rain, it can. Well, I tell you, it can be profound and long lasting. So I give you some example of the challenges, because we are talking from a detective perspective, you know. All of them things are from our training where we have, what we get. Yeah, we're not this when we're a detective we get different training. So we are telling them, so you have the same time a man rape a woman, you have a thing with him emotional and psychological impact. Rape can have devastating effects on a survivor's mental health. You have women who men rape and they're mad. mad, when we say mad like shad, that's why you treat men who rape women different. I tell you, I know me a young police and detective and him thing that. I tell you, say men who rape very rare. Them really get for, yeah, them get justice. Cause the only way for the victim them. Me I tell you this from a personal perspective as a detective. The only thing for the victim them of rape is that for know say the perpetrator cannot harm them. We say if them the perpetrator is still around, it affect them mentally and some of them go mad. So you have to think about, you as a detective have to think about the victim and the victim's sanity. You understand? Yeah, and you know, survivor, you know, say it lead to symptoms such as anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, that are PTSD, and feeling of shame, guilt, and self-blame. Cause like how some woman know and them thing that they might say, boy, because hey, look here, and you have some police, you know, we blame the victim, you know. Me not call him name and him there. Yeah, hey, me see a girl one night and when we were and she come from a dance and them rape her. I mean, I tell you, man. Although the man, the one police named Macri, you know. Macri, me I tell you, Macri met the woman eventually, so she not report it, you know, and I may have to take the case, you know. Cause you know want to take the case, you know. I tell the woman, say, you have to say, boy, I be small, she dress. Why the man rape her and this and that and. I mean, I tell him, say, you can't, you know, you're supposed to have some form of compassion, man. You're supposed to be the one where comfort the victim, but I saw the man there staying, the man arrogant, you know. The man never have no finish, you know. The man cuss woman like me, I tell you, you know. Hey, Mr. B was a man that used to, we call him Mr. B, you know. Barry McCree, you know, come from, him dead still there, you know. They say one vehicle just pass and blow up on the man and him dead, because he may not eat properly. I mean, I know how them do it and them thing there. Yeah, man, and Mr. B is a man that, hey, the man, hey, is a man that cuss all the woman, you know. I tell you, you know, he man, he's getting them, you know, him cussing, man. Hey, boy, I tell you, hey, yeah, some funny police there, you know. You say, I will let the man put all them foot panel, hey, me never drive another vehicle with them, the man, you know, because the man, they prone to accident, you know. You see when the man put them foot panel gas pedal, he can't come off like a iron. I tell you, hey, when the man, the man where a half mile them see all a vehicle park and he still run right tonight. Me don't know how him the motor accident with that the man they have. Me I tell you. Yeah man, Mr. B, when the man they a cuss man, me I tell you, shame if you are police and dead man. Or yeah, me I tell you like the man take off all him me I tell him take off him bingo bag, you know. You understand? And him cuss the woman them dog shame, you know. You as a police, hey, and then mix it try to talk to him, you know. Me I tell him man, hey, him come like some real Miss Lashy, you know. Who? Hey, boy, yeah, some being where I tell you, I don't know all the man that stays are still doing it. But I'm dead still, you know, Mr. B, Barry McCree, rest in peace. Yeah, boy, although a gunman never kill him still, so I just, a vehicle pass him in a central, him say, I just touch the man and him dead. And the doctor then say, boy, police not eat, he may not eat properly. You understand? So, him body lack many nutrients. The man not eat properly. So, I don't know. Must give him give money and them thing there. You understand? So survivors may struggle with trust issues, intimacy issues, and difficulty forming healthy relationships. So boy, so poor Cheryl, I wanna, you know, boy, may I tell her, at 14. So you know, say we give thanks that she's you know, say she's still around and all of them thing there. But this man, you want scar her for life. So we don't want to scar the daughter, you know, so that's why we now call her name. So physical consequences, in addition to physical trauma of assault, the rape assault itself, rape survivors may experience physical injuries, sexual transmitted infections, you never get that from him, and other health complications. Pregnancy resulting from the rape can also pose significant health risk and may require medical intervention such as abortion or childbirth. So you know Jamaican people, you know, most Jamaican people don't believe in an abortion thing. But some of them I tell you, you know. Yeah, some Jamaican women, you know, are desolate. Hey, are desolate them live, you know. Yeah man, I say, what? Hey, all police I tell you, all police woman dash your belly too, you know, you can't stay there. All police woman dash your belly too. Them, so nobody feel like say just the woman them there, you know, the woman them in Jamaica, all police woman do it too. So you understand? But I tell you that. So pregnancy resulted from rape, can pose health risk. So that's why nice when a man rape a woman, Rasta. You take with the woman dignity and mash them up. And them things, survivors of rape often face stigma, victim blaming, and social ostracism. So them ostracize the victim, them feel like say for them fault why them get raped, and them have to feel guilty, say it's not your fault, and that you have to tell the victim, And you as a detective and them thing, you have to follow up with the victim. And well, I mean, I tell you, but when I tell you how it is now in Jamaica when you come on, that you understand. But we as a detective and them thing, we used to make certain say, us, you understand, make certain so the victim them, you help them and them thing there, and what kind of resources you can, even help them in some way if you get counseling and all these things. That are before a rape unit, before them have the rape unit and road when road. But as we tell you, say, one of the best way for the victims them heal is to know, so boy, the perpetrator will never, ever able to do it again. And that's one of the things why them will keep them sanity. But you see, once them know, say, like how Indians still around, that's traumatic for the victim and them thing, because every day them live by edge. And trust me, most of them after them rape them not touch a next man, and no other man can touch them. Some of them able to move on. You understand? I remember this girl, she used to work half a 3 quarter, and a boy did. I mean, lock up the boy too, Yeah, I mean, I call her name. She look good still, One girl look good, and the boy just use gun and say, give me this. But I'm in charge, man. I rest in charge the boy, but fear man say, make it slide. So she must have gone on a coat and she move out and get to and go uptown. Cause I saw it going woman look good and them thing there. Then we find a man uptown and then we put them up, so man should just slow it and she never on a coat, so boy walk. But I don't even know what I'm telling a boy there, But he must gun, man. And after the case had finished and I come back in our community and everything, like man them they say them I kill him. So I don't know what happened to him. I'm gonna call him name. I don't remember his name right now. I remember my girl name. I can't look on her right now. And yeah. And she knew herself, she used to work at half a 3 quarter. You understand? But them, them like carouse and two of them things. Because everywhere you see them at dance and them club and, them go out with them thing for you. You understand? I just saw it go. So also because them ostracize a victim them, which can exacerbate fear.
Yeah, so those of you who are from, PMP criminal organization communities like yours truly, you would have heard, this rapist, this rapist, that he as a victim and his victim as a name. And they have been circulating a voice note with a PMP criminal organization, Depraved Mind woman, talking about that yours truly have trouble Pitney. Well, that is one thing, that's a lie. No more we can't tell you this because they expect that you people can't think. Anytime there's any kind of form of crime, there's a thing we call day. That means whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Day, date, time, place, and name of victim of the person. And there's none. In this case, we give you a name. So we don't make up story, try to smear people. We tell you the truth over here. And as we tell you, longest live will see. This man don't even have crap because he's a deportee. You understand what I'm saying? But as we tell you, the longest live will see, because we'll take care of them in the long run. Those who have been smearing our good name. That's one thing. They have tried so many things. We're a murderer, all kind of things. Look here. We don't have a problem for people call our name about anything. You understand? But we don't want people to falsely accuse us of things that we haven't done. As we said before, and we continue to say again, we believe that every gunman must live in a fear of losing their lives. From your kill people straight to the departure lounge. That is, we never take a brown paper envelope to gun court. Never in our entire illustrious career. Because the criminal, them will deal with some heartless people. Them. And them know so once we come, it's either we or them. So I just saw it go. So we don't take paper back, we don't take brown envelope to gun court. And we're proud of that. We don't keep tallies of them things, but we know so we never near Tom Levine. Yes. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.